609, let's get into it. So in the top level variables for FILE196, we have this helper object called a libinty. It has the has tile, the binary tile, and the target layer packed into just a little data cluster here. We're going to seal it so we can't do any bullshit with it. And in FILE196 functions, we've created this function called Easyhot converted to libinty. So we're going to take the uint32 pixel from RGBA196, right, somewhere on here. We're going to take one of those pixel colors, and we're going to figure out what type of tile it should be, or the tile information. So this is an output parameter right here. We're going to error check and make sure that the output parameter is equal to this file scope data, and if it's not, we're going to throw an error. Okay, K25 stands for black 25. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shift out the red, green, and blue bytes from our input U32 pixel, and then we're going to filter it down to 1-bit color. So if those bytes are less than or equal to 25, we interpret the 1-bit color value as 0. Otherwise, the 1-bit color value is 1. So RGB1 stands for a 1-bit color channel value. Then we're going to take those 1-bit color channels and pack them into a 3-bit RGB value right here. We can then use that RGB value as a lookup in this RGB to luminosity key lookup table. So lumo key itself is a lookup table that tells us for say yellow, what intensity maps to what tile within the grouping of yellow laser boxes, right? Okay, so this right here is basically a lookup table of lookup tables. So we haven't done all the code. In the next video, we'll do more of this code. In the loader function, we have started work on this. So if we go all the way down here, we see we've changed this from to do to doing, and we have used our Easyhot to libinty call right here using our reusable file scope data. And all we're doing is we're going to extract these 3 member variables and load them into here. So previously, these 3 member variables were hard-coded. Now we're getting them from this data cluster that is extracted from this function here. Okay, so we're out of here. So here's what we did previously and some footnotes. Like and subscribe. Send money to the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go there. Like and subscribe.